A wonderful day from here. All the lovers of freedom, all the patriots all over the world. God bless you all richly. God will keep you. The host of heaven will protect you. Please, if you are watching this very broadcast, don't hesitate to share. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all the lovers of freedom. Yeah, that is a Fosa Esogi. God bless you. Now, if I put Archbishop of activism, not the Bishop Oyedikpo. There's Archbishop of activism. The first Archbishop of activism all over the globe. That's a poor bishop, so now when we're they don't come kick person bucket too. So a wonderful Sunday to you all. Princess Istanbul, God bless you. God bless you all. Please, if you are watching, make sure you share this very broadcast. You know, as usual, what we know how to do best is to tell you the thing that is to come. Africa also said, Daniel Bigo. God bless you. Happy Sunday, Destiny Amoroyi. God bless you. Happy Sunday from here. Please, if you watch, don't hesitate to share this very lovely broadcast. You know, I guess by now, people will no longer be doubting our messages. We've been able to lay a foundation, or we've been able to form a preamble on how our activism look like. Our activism is like a sophisticated weapon. You know, when you are going to war, when America wants to fight some certain war, or this invitation of Russia to Ukraine, they went there with sophisticated weapons because the people they are going there to go and meet, they are not so easy. So that's why we make our war to be more sophisticated. So the very time we start applying a sophisticated word to make sure our word begin to pierce in the heart of people, we lost some of our board of trustees along the struggle because they can no longer, the kitchen was too hot for them. So that's that. The problem that we have not be Pandayan for play. So God bless you, Kevin Igbenovia. God bless you. Please, if you are watching, do not hesitate to share this very broadcast. Do not hesitate to share this very broadcast as you are watching. And the only way we can be able to make this message also reach a larger audience is for you to share. Is for you to share. That's the only way. If you don't share, it can't work. So I will not deceive you. That's why most of the time I do pray. And if every freedom fighter could be having the kind of mind I have, appreciating even people that watch you. But even today, the people we've labored for, we donated money for, they see us as if we are fools. I don't really know what makes some person to become a freedom fighter, you know. You are not appreciative. You pass road once, you shoot put. Then tomorrow you want to pass it again. I don't think you are going to lose a lot of fans trying to win other fans to yourself again. Then it becomes very difficult. So let's always have good behavior. It is very, very necessary we have good behavior. So it's important we do that. Please, if you are watching, don't hesitate to share. Don't hesitate to share. And for us to save some of our friends, at times we need to inbox this very message to them. Inbox it to them, tell them that watch this very thing. So that the mistakes they made previously, they don't make it again. Because a lot of things still going to be happening. We are still going to be hearing a lot from this very platform. We don't believe in conspiracy theories. Our word is sacrosanct. It's how God wanted it to be. If God has not spoken, we will not come here and start telling you trash. I gain nothing in telling you lies. Although at the initial stage, it might be difficult for you to digest the truth. Because most people, they have not had truth in their life. That's why they always pissed off the first time they are hearing it. So for those of you that focus your attention on heading, you are quite aware that this platform, we are really against land grabbing. And we have heated the Edo State government so hard to make sure he stand up on his field to protect his people. Therefore, sir, God bless you. Happy Sunday. So, of which, I think yesterday or day before yesterday precisely, another new commissioner of police, I'm going to be playing the video to you, was brought to Edo State. He specified what is coming to come and do. At least land grabbing were mentioned along with it. You know, if you are a supporter of a government, that is to say, if he raise up any motions or anything that is not well in his own administration, always talk about it. I don't know some of our those useless people, some of them not all. They say they are supporters of the government. You are not criticizing the thing that is happening. Then how are you supporting the government? You thought to the government does not mean that you are trying to say he's not doing anything. Push him to the wall so that he creates something. And my next prayer for the new commissioner of police that came to Edo State now, that he never collect bribe from all these shenanigans. Because most people, what they do, they will go and lobby, give like 10 million or 15 million to any CP that enter any state. You know that we are a form of corruption, not only in Edo State, but in everywhere. So as soon as they are able to give out that money right now, then anytime something is happening, it don't go for the arrest. So let me see now, because I said the other day that there are some persons are more powerful than a Edo State governor. And it's true. If a Edo State governor right now wants to stand up on his feet that really I'm the chief executive officer of the state, it should switch the action by doing the needful. So you that are there, you feel you are supporting the government, you are not criticizing things that is not well organized in the society, you are a bastard. You don't know what you are doing. And you are the biggest fool. You are the biggest moron. You want the man to fail. He said, who God love, he change style. What he changed in discipline. That's what the book of Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6. He said, train up a child the way you grow, when it is old, you don't depart from it. Most of you watching right now, everywhere does that mean your father wanted to assassinate you? Or were trying to practice domestic violence? Most men today that beat their wife, not that they just want to become a domestic, they want to practice domestic violence. There are some certain characters. They are trying to correct the woman by force, by fire. You must stop this nonsense. Automatically, now the woman mad, not the clothes. Then the man throw, you throw. You be able to throw the one way pass the one way throw give you, you know. Then it becomes a problem. So that's not where we are going. Please, if you are watching, do not hesitate to share this very broadcast. If you are watching, it is very imperative you share this very broadcast among your friends. As I am doing my sharing from here, the only way this video can go viral, God bless you, no one will talk better. God will bless you in a hurry, sir. So if every one of us stand up to do the needful, our state must be great. So fixing up the state is not going to be done by WhatsApping. It's not going to be done by Facebooking. No. It's not going to be done by Instagramming. It's going to be done by you folding up your sleeve. Star Prince, God bless you. You roll up your sleeve. Don't protect any house. If Owanokwa is a den of thieves, say it's a den of thieves. May God not punish you there. We are tired of this angoni. A garden in Yena is almost kilometer per half a kilometer. Everybody is happy. Go and see everybody. I'm away coronavirus. Go and you have one. You don't even see anyone that is somehow sick. But let our people come out and let them go to party without makeup. Who are many have demonstrated because of our guano. A guy, one idiotic guy wrote in my platform. He said, I'm talking about Benin. Which Africa country good? Have you been to Tunisia? Go to Common Niger here. There's light. Go to Algeria. Their building is like the one of Europe. Go to Morocco. Their building is like the one of Europe. That's why anytime you try to correct them, this is not complete. Must we suffer what they are suffering in Soweto? Is it compulsory? Are we not a kingdom as you guys claim? What happened in the kingdom? Have you not seen the United Kingdom? Idiotic set of people. They write anyhow. They don't want to say the other day. He said, after all, God killed Jesus. Now God killed Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ comes in for restoration of so that we'll be reconciled back to God. Huh? Instead of you to just admit that what you guys are doing is a non-entity, that you are an Australian wallaby, then you are there defending stupidity. I can't really get it. For how long are we going to continue this mess? Huh? That's nonsense to the highest order. God Almighty, please in your word. Let there be healing and let there be salvation. Amen. So those who fail to learn from history have done to repeat it. The reason why history was supposed to be taught in our society so that we amend our ways. Today, history is not being taught. You know why they removed that? You will never be taught history. It is because there is something they want you to repeat. And thank God that we are here to tell you vis-a-vis a little part that is very glaring we know about your history. We are not going to be talking about Oba Ewedo. No, I'm not interested. I'm not interested on Wafioku. Let's talk about what we are facing. How do we get here? At times you start naming characters. If you want to say right now, you say Edo State government. You don't start saying Obaseki. You say Edo State or Obaseki administration. Obaseki administration, it consists of Osadion Oge. It consists of Shaibu. It consists of a lot of people. But you don't need to start mentioning names. We are talking about the administrative arms of our traditional ruler. How do we get here? If political system fails us, traditional system was not supposed to fail. Because there are a lot of things that we felt they can do, which they are not doing. Right now, Obaseki have forcefully now brought in another CP. The first one, the former one that was there, automatically might have collected bribe. That's why they are not going for any arrest. Don't be so surprised. The Obaseki called them. Go to so and so community. They will go there and say, we did not see them. Because they've already paid their homage already. This is where lapses is in our government today. But most people don't want to know that. You always say, Obaseki, Obaseki, Obaseki. A government will be good when the arms of government are effective. The House of Assembly, they are in collaboration with the government to make sure the state is good. They can even call the government, look at what we are sensing. We must sign this into law. What about when the government tell them, the speaker, the speaker slumber because they don't give them 40 million. Look at the during election, was it not because of 40 million, a lot of them lost their positions. But these same people, after spending that for 40 million, they are still going to pave their way in again to the political system. Is that hard to win an election? So what we have been seeing, we have not had, it's only during Obaseki we had an election. We have been having selection. So if we continue with that same mind, irrespective of you support the government, if you do any, give on to him. You did not support him to come and be performing shenanigans. You voted for him to come and work. So that's why I want to be seeing the reason why I voted for Obaseki. If land grabbing today, he is finished in Edo State, then God will bless the government. It does not stop him from going to Guantanamo. That is it. I am not a ungrateful element. Right now, he's in the right track. He's in the right track. So the truth is to be said. So that's that. If God wants to punish a nation, he will give them a bad leader that they deserve. If God wants to punish a nation, he will give them a bad leader they deserve. And I'm going to be telling you from the scriptures. I'm going to be telling you from the, let me quickly edit something here. I'm going to be telling you from the scripture. You know what we have to do? We do comparison. That's why today, people that always come and counter us, they always make one silly mistake. They are not always very objective in what they are saying. I look at them, I laugh. I look at them, I laugh. I just look at them and laugh. Why am I always laughing? I say, on a matter day objective, on a man, you know. You don't just rush into whatever and begin to use emotion to do whatever thing you are doing. Try and be objective. Try and always think. Because if you are going to go and fight a strong man at home, you yourself, you have to train hard. That's why if you look at it today, I'm intensifying my activities every day by the way. So what I told you yesterday, reclaiming back your ancestral land. I'm going to still be giving you more verses of the Bible. About most of you that say your ancestor is a witch. Your ancestor is a wizard because one stupid, idiotic pastor, a vaccinated moron, who couldn't read the book of Revelation. They will tell you at times, I finish up the Bible, Genesis to Revelation. What's your manner? You made Revelation 13, 16, and 17, and what bet you were born. No lay no one there already, no one. Why we are pastor, but they will tell you they finish up the Bible. But me that have not finished it, what's happening today? How come I know about it? Okay, now, am I not testifying now? Is it not me, Obaseki, obeyed now? Because he know that he had first of all offended me by pushing this injection in Edo State. But right now, I have not been only the one that have been talking about land grabbing, but I have been one of the person who have said it the way it is, who have criticized the people who formed this very thing. And right now, you have brought in another commissioner. So if I had it that did not come here to come out to applaud for him, for having that courage to do such a thing, that to say the truth is not in me. The spiritual message that I always carry to the heart of the people that need to hear it. I mean, I hear you. So that's why anytime anything comes up that we have been fighting about, we talk about it. Let anybody come on today now and say to anything, I was part of these people. You only said it just for now, woman one kind. But were you able to judge it and give the accusation you are supposed to give these people? You have not. And right now, he has brought a different person entirely with a different ideology, with a different tactical team to come and tackle rank grabbing in Edo State. We need to end this mess. At least Obaseki administration should be known for one particular thing. I told you that Edo does not, because slave don't need good road. At least they need to be protected. There are ways you use your administration look like. People will live to remember you. If right now, at the end of the day, you are able to take away this land grabbing, you will be one of the best governors. The best governor is not known by you build airports. It's known by how many lives you're able to protect, what inconveniences the people, how many do you solve. The road problem in Nigeria is not going to be solved by now. The road problem in Nigeria cannot be solved by now. Because there are a lot of things slaves don't need. Even their slave matter will not also agree. But for we that are not slaves, they shouldn't be collected in our lands. So you have to do general something that both the slave and non-slave will benefit from. One, let them not be catching us anyhow. Let them be teaching our histories in schools. We can fight for it. The House of Assembly can fight for it. That's why I love the European Congress here. If you are going to go and represent the people, what you are representing there for, you are representing them as a result of there is a bill that is already there. You fight to make sure that law is changed. That's what we call representative. But our own, their campaign right now showing street light. But have you been able to represent us by any law that let our history be taught in the school? Most of you right now, most of the things you are hearing for the very first time because you never taught. By now, we might have been taught that there was a realm of Ogiso in Edo. Look at that, the invasion come. The person teaching it may not even say maybe it was a terrorist attack or a terrorist invasion. It might also be that it was the negligence or the incompetency of Ogiso era that make this very recent fake ancestral father they gave to us, that make it to emerge. That is to say, whatever thing you are doing, always stand to do it well. If you are in a position, hold it well. There are a lot to learn from me. That those are the things we are going to learn from me. Now, why did our father give room to this thing? Why was they unable to fight this very thing? And today we are accepting it. So these are the things. It's not about humiliation. But because they are not, the history was not taught, they are not ready to teach us. That's why the way God revealing it to us, God does not reveal it to me to come and start praising you. Rather than to tell you, let my people go. That is it. So if you were taught, in case of next time, the original person, we are not the one that owns this place. Your father did not fight hard the way my father fought. That was why we overthrew you. Then automatically we start praying, please, lead us to our ancestors. Then we start praying in the name of our ancestors, which is Idu Igodo Migodo. It does not stop you from your reign. But changing our lives, changing our DNA, changing everything about us. Imagine, for example, right now, I'm giving instances. I'm the real Idu Igodo Migodo. Then you are projecting the gods of Ile Binu for me. It won't work. You are going to be seeing it from the scriptures. You are going to be seeing it from the scriptures. If you read the book of 2 Kings 17 verse 17. 2 Kings 17 verse 7, sorry. 2 Kings 17 verse 7. He said this disaster came upon the people of Israel because they have worshipped other gods. They sinned against the Lord their God, who had brought them safely out of Egypt. and have rescued them from the power of Pharaoh, the king of Egypt. Now, what is this plight telling you? They were carried away after they've entered into the promised land. They started worshiping the God. They were supposed to sweep everything away. Because when they came into the promised land, the people that were there, they've killed them, they subdued them, they start worshiping their God. They did no longer follow instruction from God. Okay, now, you know, say, God, even when you are serving juju, even though you are, but I don't tell you at time, but I want to have here, but you have to also calculate the kind of you want to veer. Don't get it twisted. It is more difficult to serve juju. Because if you went to go and plant the lone spirit or your juju, they are jack and murio wefu. There are a lot of people right now, they are from water. If they want to go to do juju for them, they'll go to do forest for them. It does not work. And even when you are trying to connect yourself, you have to connect yourself with your real ancestors, with your real ancestral spirit. That's why I have your boss with me. Because the people that did it for you, they are doing it out of selfish interest. They can never say, okay, they want to reject you as a result of this is not where you are supposed to do this thing. I'm giving you recommendation. You might just come in our chairman, join me in prayer, say, my brother Iruna, man, call a number and when I go in. I don't want to start wasting my time. My own is to do activism. In the course of my activism, I prophesy unto nation. If I want to prophesy unto nation, I want to go and pray for a nation or pray for some certain struggle. I want to go and cancel Zetacom. I don't need to give recommendation. The power is in me to pronounce and will come to pass. Yahweh Zaraza or administration like. That's why if you watch it clearly today, vividly, if you check everything at cost, no one today that is not having a problem. The great reset will be turned upside down. The transhumanism, which is the zombie apocalypse, have cost it. Now, it's not left for you to hold the line and never do those things that will make you to become zombie. Are you getting it clear? So the children of Israel, despite they were a land of food, full of milk and honey, they've entered the promised land. They were carried away. They did not bother to hear from God again. God, we said that why are we going to create this very thing? How are we going to start worshiping you? They start worshiping the idol of the former people that were there because it was beautiful. So you are in a dose right now does not mean any juju that just come. Now why call when ulele? Maybe there are most of you no mind cannot call local because it is not your ancestors. It was brought when your fathers were invaded. And that one now, the spirit that worry you are not supposed to care about. You are supposed to just be a soothsayer who will use water to pray. Right now we have here born. So everything in life, it takes criterias. A body logo senaga. A Jesus I logo naga. That shall not fornicate, that shall not do one with Bible lecture. A ball logo naga. If you go plant the wrong juju, who do anyhow go see anyhow. So this was what happened to the children of Israel. They remember they were already in the promised land. The blood said this is not clear. What was happening? Also no name. Let me change the location. Blood said not clear. Well, now we do them maybe. Blood said this is not clear. Well. No, I think it's better like this. Oh, now maybe I'll remember again. God bless you. Mesha, God bless you. Thank you for recognizing that. Thank you for acknowledging that. God bless you. So that's it. So it is very, very important. Even when I have Ogun, is it part of your ancestors? If you not leave your ancestors with excitement and go and plant, take juju from another ancestors, my dear, it's still like you never do anything for yourself. God bless you, our princess. So that's that. If you read that 2 Kings, chapter 17, verse 8, he said, and he lived by the custom of the nation that the Lord had forced out of the Israelites. They were not living by the custom of the people that God conquered. God gave Joshua the power to conquer. They were not living by their customs. That's why today, if you are not supposed, maybe your ancestral DNA was not supposed to kill any person or to humiliate any person that fight for freedom. Then you are not humiliating people. This is the Bible. Most of you will cry today again. I told you before now, I'm going to be winning you guys with proof. Yeah, I tell them when I go at that, I have you no sonny. I day again. We are going to be doing another topic about this. It is clear. He said the Lord have forced out of the Israelites' way. They also did what their kings wanted them to do. The king that were there, they will no longer follow instruction from God. That's what our people today, most do a fulefu. They obey whatever thing that comes from Owanokwa, not the voice of God. How is that possible? Look, no, Umana Tiorona, a be or one way. Go and read it. Wemana Tiorona, a be or one way. 2 Kings 17 verse, he said, and he lived by the custom of the nations that the Lord have forced out of the Israelites. They were not living by their customs. That was why naturally, I don't believe anybody's Ogyomba. I swear to, I don't believe. That's why even what I was never interested. I was only there to defend these people. Why these people are an enemy? Why is people collecting land from people who not Ogyomba? Why Fulani men? Why are they not Ogyomba? So somebody that speaks, maybe speak out of context, is enough for him to be boggled, giving poison to. That's why I said, so over this Zatacron and Wobicron. I just relaxed myself because they wanted you have been accepting all manner of things to your sister. And that's when now. So don't look at it. They led their own custom. They were not with. That's why most of you today, you are there are things you are not supposed to do. If you are with your real consciousness, you will know. Nobody tell me any history. Hey, y'all come and it has been God. Well, I'm a bug anybody. And God will kill you one day. What are we saying? All these are the facts. So God take you out of a land, you are in a dote does not mean you have to obey everything that comes from many traditions. Most of them, they are supposed to be toxic to you. Why? Now, was it not God that created the same people? Why was they not using the same? Why did the word of God differentiate here? He said they live by the custom of the nation that the Lord has forced out of the Israelites. They were living by that, but is it not the same God that created everybody? Because those ones choose to be pagan. They believe in paganism. Anything that comes, let's do it. Job carry person use and wag. If you meet say person, they beat your pikin. So if you to separate fire, say, oh no, where they go, you go even join that person, beat your pikin. That was why today, my spirit never coincide with people no Bongo and Waye Palace. It never, and it will never. If your own coincided with him to go and pray for forgiveness. If your own coincided with it because of your stupidity, that's the only sin you have committed. Because if God wants to punish a nation, he gave them the life that they deserve. That's why when God wants to punish the Israelites because of what they do, but he wants to show them win by for what they set up Joseph, the children of Jacob. That was why they were in captivity. This land was already there before they went to Egypt. How did they land themselves in Egypt? Because if you say you're not supposed to say, if you do anyhow, go see anyhow. It was the Joseph they sold. Some of you that pray on the count to be in jail, that's why people are dying today. If we not the count we are to be in life, and here said we created Nigeria, our Basaki will be regretting it today. If I know, I would have just found somebody who can talk to the count for me. I would have been able to protect my people. That's why any person that dies today, no matter how you try to do it, God is going to ask Obaseki their blood. And they say now, okay, Obaseki is a killer logically. It doesn't mean that I carry gun the kill. Obaseki, you are killing your people. That is to say, there is a security proactive measure would have put on ground. He have not put in it. That's why. If there are some kind of things that is happening, some people just vex for me. You go say, they don't be arguing boy. Because they know that as an bishop of activism, I'm be wired to talk about a lot of things. It doesn't mean you are paying me. Because it's why you love me. The reason why you are promoting me, sharing my video, I should be able to come and represent you. That's why today I'm your representative. You are not just following me because how many people I can curse. You are following me because of the impact I've made in your life. I've made you to know a lot of things which some of your fake pastors have been on my neck, which they take away from you. Then if you read that 2 Kings also, 17 verse 9, he said the Israelites secretly did things against the Lord, their God, that were not right. They built for themselves illegal palace, illegal places of worship in all their cities, from the smallest watchtower to the largest fortified city. They started building fake things. That's why I believe today, a village where they're not supposed to be on, they'll go create to him. Why would Fulani not take over that place? A village that was supposed to be having Odion Way will be removed. Then Ohen will be placed there. Why will Fulani not invade that place? Why will you not invade it? Look at it. I know now you are not going to start doubting the Old Testament. I know now you will not believe again. Before, when you never see like this, it was all. These are the problems. These are the problems that we have. Because there are a lot of things that is going on today. The reason why I always go to the scripture and read it out for you is to make sure that you and I, we don't have any argument. Just digest it and tell me sorry if you have insulted me, that's all. Life goes on. He said the Israelites secretly did things against the Lord their God that were not right. They built for themselves illegal places. They created, if you read that book of Genesis 8, verse 20, there is a specific location God would have told them, build this one here, build this one here. They do it anyhow by themselves. That was how they offended God. Even when God had brought them out of Egypt, He was still annoyed of them because they refused the instruction of God. They started following the customs of the people they came to come and meet. So as an Edoman, if you have said Ogyoba before, you are the biggest animal, except you are from their lineage. It is not a part of your belief. Don't look at it. Carrying another custom on your head, how do you expect to succeed? Maybe you were born a deliverer. And you yourself, you want to have me will have you. Is that possible? You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? You were singing song, chanting. You think that was why you were even graphined. Because most of you were graphing. God never revealed it to because of your wickedness. You don't see anything bad about it. That someone that called you his father, they will boggle you to the place where your father lives. And you will be humiliated. So you begin to see that all this is we are watching and seeing today. It started a long time ago. How did Israel offend God right now? They follow another customs. They follow another custom because it was beautiful. They did not try to take away those monuments, all those images. And maybe they saw a book and say, okay, now our Akbar. That was why before Moses came back, what did they do? They went and make a golden calf. And it was not the will of God. That was why when Moses were bringing up the 10 Commandments, he saw that they already said because he tailed. He can't tail before Moses come. Then what happened? He destroyed it. He destroyed the 10 Commandments. Because of what they were doing. So forget saying you must have to go to church before you know God. My dear, there is a God inside of you. You feel this, but some will say I give my life to God, but you give your life to God, you still recognize Ogyoba. That's why any person what you're born and then I wonder about when you get Ogyoba backing. You are a bastard. Uma den boy. Uma den boy. You never know yourself. We are waiting. Pronounce that name again. We will add your name to the people. Because this is oppression to the highest order. You don't do that. You don't do that. There are a lot of things we don't need to take. We don't need to take because it's an atrocity. It's a crime against humanity. Look at most of you right now. A pure igodomigodo person. Because you needed bead. It's a call for an uprising. What is coming, my dear? What is coming? It's bigger than you. You know, that was how I said that now. But today, the records are there. So those who have here, let them hear. We are going somewhere. We are going somewhere. If you read the book of Numbers, 14 verse 28, he said, now tell them this. As surely as I live, declare the Lord, I will do to you the way, the things I heard you say. He said, whatsoever I hear you say, such will I do. What are you saying? Do you need liberation? And most of us we don't even shout that we are being oppressed. He said, whatsoever I hear you say, such I'm going to do. So I want my people to be liberated. We do say, most of us today now, we are incited when our usual part will be have you been taught something like this? At the time you are not with your real ancestors, you diverted. Now, because I can't Spain, I can't forget about house. Now, what we're reading in the book of Proverbs 22 verse 28, remove not the ancient land which your father have set up. No matter how long I will be in abroad, I still think about my people in Uronibe. I still remember my little beginning. That makes you a normal human being. A lot of people, they left. There is a video that surfaced social media. A woman and his son, they were going to Benin, and customs shot the son, and the son died. That's what you get when you are in a very bad society. And these people, do you think that one will ever happen in Europe here? Going back home now, he lost his son. So, the situation of things in our country, it affects everybody. I said the other day, you think I'm joking. The way it affects me, the same way it affects you. But most of you, you feel you are already in abroad. What about the very day you entered home? Then another thing happened. Let's look at the book of Exodus 14 verse 15. It says, then the Lord said to Moses, why are you crying out to me? Tell the Israelites to go forward. Instructions. Now, our queen mothers, they are doing all they can, praying. They have the same spirit like you. They metamorphose their own. And right now, they are fighting to restore back. That is a scenario. Let me use the word scenario. They are trying to restore back a government. Your original government. What are you using your own for? You are using your own to start placing people's pictures in one shrine or the other. Most of the juju you see today is not our ancestors. They brought it. Why did they even bring it? To kill your strength. They own it. They know what I'm talking about. Go and ask questions. They brought it. The same way they brought Jesus to us. That was our people right now, the time they lured them to court. Some of the things you need to hear when they are in that court is that this thing, never you do this. When our leader talks, final is final. That's why today no villager have been able to stand up against the excessive killings or say this one Odion way for so and so village. That's why they remove Odion way and put Ohen there. And Ohen was not supposed to be a part that was supposed to emerge in that very community. Then you expect that they should not be saved? They should be saved. Stop looking at Kanu. We are definitely different and uniquely unique. Kanu have their own kind of way. All these Fulani, most of them, they migrated. They are different ancestors entirely. We are Kanu, we are not the same ancestors. If you don't know now, know. Even the language you will know, the way of life you will know. Only people that also bear the same ancestors with us. Now be some Igbo. Some people bear the same ancestors with us. That's why our kind of wrapper that they wear and our kind of food that they eat. Now the language, they're different. Now, how did this language, how was it done in the book of Genesis chapter 11? According to the Bible, where they were building the Tower of Babel. But God now see that if he leave them to build this very tower, there's nothing that human being will ever do that they cannot do. Now, the action were good, the motive behind it was bad. Now, may God destroy them. They said they want to build and go reach heaven. And really, they started building. This one goes say, Owibo monarch, Spanish monarch, they were doing it. Everybody were together with one mind, they were building. But if you read that Genesis 11, I think verse 9 there, now God said, let's go down so that we may go and confuse their language. It was God that caused this confusion of language today, not the devil causing. He said, if you leave these people, nothing they said that they want to do what they can never do. It was God that said, told his angel, let's go down, let's go and confuse their language. Really, the one they can't do one. That's why God created you to create. But God only put limitation to some certain power that you have. You know that when that power is given to you, you will misuse it. Nobody today have power like Elijah and Elisha. Not they. God squeezed it away. Because we are going to start mesmerizing it. Look at now, the voice that a lot of people has. Look at people doing sack today. God will bless them. I'm not criticizing them here. Now you are living your life in Europe. How many times have your fathers created problem and they are not laying curse on you at home? But at times, we that is in this very Western world, please share this video or you can cut it out. This very particular position, cut it out. I'm not trying to say what they are not doing good. I've already prayed for them. God will bless them. God will give them the strength to keep on doing what they are doing. But how many problems has your father and your mother created for you at home? And check out the problem, the headache you have given to your father, your mothers, your siblings, your children. In Nigeria, they are suffering. They are thinking about how they are going to survive the invasion, the Fulanization. They are thinking that they can no longer go to farm because they are afraid. No light, no road. Even the money you are sending for them for food, they are managing it. Because no amount of money you will send now that can even buy anything. If you doubt it, tell them, give them 20,000 to buy anything for you. It not go full 200 like this, you need 20,000. But you give them 50 euro for 2 months, you feel you have done well. Now the headache you are giving to these people, the spirit of your family is angry. Why not make the problem you can be able to contain? At least with your husband, if your husband likes it. Leave these people at home. They are suffering. I'm fighting for your mothers at home. So that their love will never be collected from them. None of you, one day, open up your Facebook and sack these people collecting our lands. It does not concern you, the well-being of the state. But at least, this man and these women, they are suffered. Because of you, people call your mother all the time. You want to tell me you are a responsible son? You want to tell me you have moral upbringing? Do you know what you are trying to tell people? You are trying to tell people that be that you cannot kill your mother by yourself. I will not be doing something all the time that I always give my parents problems. Even when body they hold that year, when they go school that year, you know. I have a woman and we have a set away. We never start doing something about the because it caught the heart of your father. Now you are in abroad. Instead of it to bring better initiative home, you are now monitoring your father. What do you expect from an African woman? Let me put it this way. What do you expect from an old man that is 80 years? He should still be dressing like you. When you're investigating, let come and investigate you when you are inside your house. But I wonder you are comparing a old woman that is not looking good. Are you mad? Just look at this generation. You guys face more than Buhari. Buhari is good. We blame Buhari because of the insecurity and all of other. Buhari is still better than. At least Buhari can protect. He could protect his people. He's not looking after his people. But if you are sensible, you are giving your mother's problem. You are not. Are you praising the name of your mother? You see here. I always come here. Few things I laugh. I've ever one day say my lecturer used to say, or my teacher used to say. I also let me tell you another one again that will break your. It's my father that told us, because when he's speaking, I always listen. He said inordinate ambition. If you want to explain it, you know how you explain it. That's inordinate ambition. Come and tell us now, your father, you are giving problem at home. What you learn from your father. I'm not sure say it did. Then these are the same people you follow tomorrow. How many of these people work to talk in on any issues? Giving insult even to your children. That this is a most. You are allowed them to lay curse on your innocent children day in and day out. I'm here praying for your children. I'm here fighting to make sure the society, our children never has problem. I don't understand how our people behaves. Let's more they reduce this thing. We are not helping ourselves. You guys are trying to make away now. You don't know. You will be old tomorrow if your children do that to you, uncle. Your children is not fighting in school. Maybe during their time now, you're going to be Why women? I agree you why be battle as your home. Logically, right now, you are using gun to shoot your mother. Maybe during the time of your children, the gun is going to be real. At the time your children cause problem, they'll come and light up your head at home. You don't know you are just die. If your pa your man no even day life, now they have a home. You are giving your mother a headache. The headache you are giving to your mom, you have not even given her food like that. Please, all these followers that always instigate you at antagonistas, what are involved now? We are not helping ourselves. The state of those states today, nobody knows. A lot of our people doesn't even know what's happening. They don't know what's happening. Year in, year out. Imagine why we SAG. I want to be seeing SAG that a boy and boy in Arobie, why you are able to available. That's the ultimate thing at here, sir. All these are what you guys are now doing, allowing them to be insulting your mother. I work by the way you will be now. You will be on way now. Or we will now ask you, why will you feel? We are not respecting ourselves. We should stop this for once. But why always I love it. I want to be seeing a man and man come out to available. I want to be seeing academic side. That will not make all of you to start reading. Any person who will those arguments, come and sag me. I will not also sag you. I will use you. I will cheat nonsense away from your life. That was why I cheat nonsense away out of this man in America. I never came and wanted karate, you know. No, we don't do that. While misbehave, we keep on adding you to our topics until you are being polished. So that aside, let's go forward. So if you love these people, I urge you to share this very thing with them. It will help them. Because most of them, this thing they are doing, there's something wrong somewhere. Exodus 14:15, he said, then the Lord said to Moses, why are you crying out to me? The Israelites, tell them to go forward. Because there was stagnancy already then. Then if you read that Exodus 14:14, God will fight your fight, you will hold your peace. But inside there, in verse 15 of it, he said, then the Lord said to Moses, why are you crying? Because he was dumbfounded. Moses was flabbergasted. Because despite that Moses put in a proactive measure before God promised him, I will fight your fight. Moses were emotionally tensed up. God, how will I do about it? These people, they are killing my people. That was why God told them. So we will leave all the struggle of Moses. Just come to Exodus 14:14. Our pastor will tell us to sow seed in Exodus 14:14. I will fight your fight. You will hold your peace. How will God fight your fight and hold your peace? What have you done? Like what I will always say is almost becoming our national item in this place. Have you evaluated the fight? Did you even know you have a fight? Most of us, we don't know that we have a fight. That's why if you read that Numbers 14:28, he said, now tell them, verily, as I live, declare the Lord, I will do to you the very thing I heard you say. Because Moses have tried his best to make sure that he do what he can do. Right now, I've shattered. I've given insult to insult due. The government right now is putting in police to make sure the tactical team be formed for land grabbing. Because what? I told him some days ago here that some person in Edo State, they are more powerful than the state governor. He had no option that to bring in another CP that have not been corrupted. If you say government has strength, because he has people that listen to him who have not been corrupted. At the time your administration is corrupted, funded by Z idiots and EPN, you can't do anything. That was why when Obaseki went to Pala, he were attacked. Because the day commissioner of police have been bought over by Osho idiots. Even without the governor even say go and make arrest. The governor need to give command. They've already seen it under normal condition. They will go for that arrest. So they say, governor, what happened to you today? We have got 5 of them is in our custody. But at the time the government will send a message, please, Commissioner of Police, I want you to investigate. Sir, I don't think there's need for that. I have sent people, and they've already told us that it was outsider. But when things are normal, they must make sure they bring as many people that are involved in it. So that's why, if a state must go forward, the commissioner of police must not take bribe. The people that in the section of justices, police, soldiers, they must stand in their full effect to make sure they do the needful. Do you know why the government is failing today? Because why? The state governor, they are not the one in full charge of the police. The CP is going to get order, particularly a proper order, not to go and arrest all the Yahoo. They're not to get order for that side. There are orders they need to get from the federal. One federal is not giving order, and that thing for the favor of the federal. They don't move. That's why some police, some governor, they have their secret police they use, which they fund. They fund them. Like Wike right now, Wike security in Agboa. Now make Wike do anyhow. I guess Wike security will be bigger than Obaseki zone. Because he know waiting day. That's why we have urged Obaseki to try and have a handful of the police maybe encourage who works under him. So Nigeria is failed today because of the system. There are a lot of things the government will want to do. They will not be able to do it because government cannot go and be shooting guns. Anytime he reports some case, we are having a threat in so and so. Do you think if Nigeria were to be good, the commissioner of police don't know say Benin Chiro there's a Bogo clearance? Maybe the criminal in Benin Chiro they are paying homemade to federal. To some of them, not all. That's why you see the corrupt system of government. So at the time, I think it was Abacha that said that any security that lasts for 24 hours, you know say government official get an inside. And it's true. They have the power. After God is the government. That's why if God wants to punish you, he use government. If you look at the heading there, if you look at the heading, he said if God wants to punish a nation, he will give them a leader they deserve. There are leaders you deserve when you disobey God. That's what happened to the children of Israel. They won't go and be worshiping. It is supposed to be beautiful. We don't know how to think. That's our problem. If not me that I bring in some critical topics. I know how many people are directed to their original self. I know how many people are directed to nature. Tell me what does your pastor do? Holy Spirit. All they do is Holy Spirit and they fake everything. But today, we're not bagging. So even in serving juju, as I've earlier said, be very, very careful. May not go root different this thing from river. That's why a lot of people today, their life is complicated. If the Israelites have continued, they continue with that same life. Now may God punish them. Now may disaster come to happen. Disaster did not just happen to them. Maybe today some of the disaster we are facing abroad, it is because of our negligence. We don't enter abroad, they don't finish. We're going to spray money for dance. Spray money for the money we will take do better thing. Now, tell me any those song, as you people say, who have done far better than what you have done. Error, you not day. Talk on. If my name is not in number 1, 2, 3, you guys are liars. And I forgive you what. We are talking about the people that labored in word and in doctrine. There are a lot of things you never know about your tradition. That was why there was a specific location God told Noah. Where Noah for do sacrifice, when God perceived the aroma. He said, que bien. Eso es una maravilla. God have no option. That will say, it was somebody who stood in the gap, Noah, in the book of Genesis 8 verse 20. He made a sacrifice on your behalf. And that sacrifice was made according to the instructions. So you don't just pray anyhow. Now you just go, on what spirit, on what ancestors? Are you using Binu ancestors? Or you are using Idu Igodomigodo ancestors? If you are doing Igodomigodo, you are using Binu, you are just constituting nuisance in the hair. It will not go. That was why, if you read the book of Genesis, I feel like teaching today. If you read the book of Genesis, chapter 4, Cain kill his brother Abel. Abel was able to make the sacrifice that God accepted. But Cain's own was just that so far big go. Hey, you go saloba gwa lo mi o kan. God not be smoke you dey look for. That's why most of you right now, so far you are speaking in tongues. You think you are speaking in tongues. Where they speak in tongues, there is something tormenting under your papa. But me, they can't speak it. I always say it at times just to make fun. He make you well. How will I speak in tongues? How? Am I a demon? Why are you getting the tongues? The spirit in only leg. So people do not verify who they are. And until you discover, you cannot recover. So most people, we are just living for living's sake. That's why there are food we are not supposed to eat. Even those days, there are food. At times, we grow up and meet some of our fathers, some of them were doing non-mila, some of them were doing. There was something I learned then. I go to Rio. You know, say if we come from Benin that year, we just say go Ronigbe, you know. The papa will bomb mama. There is something they always do all this non-mila of a thing. Some of the children will go, when they do woman thing, they'll go to eat with woman. So some parts see the way they eat man on. Now come and say, what go that is? They know they follow woman. So if you don't eat with man today, then man can down go. You not eat with woman again. Maybe you get some time, oh, who are they, who are we now? My dear, so based on saying I've been away from the corner, my dear, the corner will land, you know. But some of them were tired to eat. And why we go oh yeah, why do ya new way or with you? Yeah, why are you? Oh, Mila. Most of them are there, they are Christian. Why some of us, I'm using myself as an example, we do it for both sides. My man, where are you? 6 months, I want Mila no be one. Oh, wow, even get one ant that time. The ant they brandish. I go Korea. If you go farm that year, if you that farm, I go Korea. Now later I go make that ant not bite you. So a lot of things. Then if you begin to compare and contrast today, so many things have went on along the line because we are with the wrong spirit. Most of all, we are. Imagine you are always calling a father that is not your biological father your father. It will work. Oh my God! No say why did dog me so all your boss for That's why today so many stepbrothers, stepsisters will have problem. It only few mothers who use his own hand, stretch the hand, the good hand. He use it taking care of his children, take care of or war too. Some of them will back for you. His children go they eat. And those kind of people are their children is always dull. I've seen so many who treat their mate or warrior, their mate, their stepson, they treat them bad. They carry your own son like egg. Why some people your day? He prefer make his stepson fair eat first before he go give him own son. So life is not balanced. So some of the things we are seeing today, life is more spiritual than physical. If they never kill you for night, they don't kill you daytime. If you see any person that died now, they don't kill him. It's just a physical manifestation. That's why the book of Proverbs says, guard your heart without deadliness. Out of it flow the issue of life. But how come we grow with our parents? And this is what an average Edo person or Africa person that have a tradition supposed to know. Even our fathers those days, for them, why they get bow or when you are around and we buy you. Why we buy is a winner. All this he have protocols. He have instructions. If you don't follow instructions, it does not work. Look at the blood in our city. Blood, 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 blood. And the main blood they are shouting in the physical, people are using that same blood spiritual. Okay, the sage man no a sage any carne. A sage just work carne. Look for that thing to do. Amerewa. You won't pray. That's why Jeremiah can go and miss a color. Some of you, they will pour blood of Jesus. Is that not stupidity? I'm with blood. I have a sent there. You blood. Okay, was it in Israel? Some of them will say book of Bethesda. That is the book of John chapter 5. All those things were your dead that at times God can create some setting. When this water they here now, there is also power that will be inside this water. There are some persons always they connected it. Let me show it to you. Not be swimming pool. Look at it. They connected it from Mediterranean Sea. See, not be swimming pool. At times you can be given instruction where you so that God will remove stagnancy away from your life. I don't talk like a boner. But my young mafia man, God will give you directives. So most of us have been praying amiss. We are live all our life praying amiss, not doing the main prayers. Even what I'm telling you right now is not what I've even been applying, because we're more questions again. My own is to teach you. Wherever God lays my heart, I put it there. A lot of people will think I mean, not the value, I'm not get bow I don't have it. But preferably, I prefer we going back to the drawing board, see the area where we have missed it. So the children of Israel, they went through captivity again, even after God have rescued them. After God have rescued them. Everything have his own guideline. So we have to be very, very careful about traditions. There are traditions in the Bible. To make sure they weak you, that was why the Roman Empire, they created the narrative of Jesus. Was to conquer human race, particularly with the Africa. They know how powerful we are now. Okpone Moses ya fienze yeva. Africa man, or Africano. Okpone, how can a stick? Let's bring it to the mainstream here. Let's elaborate on that for 2 minutes. Now, when Moses confronted the Red Sea, God asked him, Moses, what is that in your hand? He said, the rod. And God told him, Moses, look at another water. Moses, you have fought water before. He fought water when he was 3 months old. That was what God told Moses. Then he gave him a recommendation. He gave him a recommendation. Look at it. You are one first survive water. You are the highest submarine as far as life is concerned. This is another water before you. What's that in your hand? He said it all. What about there was no power in that rod? What would have happened? What about there was no power in that rod? What would have happened? That's why whatever thing you are holding in your hand, make it to be a weapon. Now, if for example right now, somebody want to attack me, I'm facing a certain attack, and I look at it that I have a key to my house. Let me show you. This is a key. Then what will I do? My mind will just tell me, this guy carrying knife. Then what will I do right now? I bring the key. Then maybe I do one like this. As also a weapon, you don't know. Then I see they swab me while they swab me. Then, if me work as a sergeant work automatically as a sergeant they be so me learning. I'm not waiting to going to use that knife for me. That was why God asked Moses, "What's that your hand?" He said, "He said, stretch it," and he stretched it. The rest he parted. That the Israelite patrol on the ground. What about the rod were done with him? What is with you today? What do you have in your hand? Do you have anything? Blood. That's why most of you are banding blood. So blood. Some of you were born into this life. You will be liberating my DNA, but you live out to be suffering. We are not calling fake Pastor Suleiman, but God naturally created you. There was something. No one you were, but a pastor will not for. But that same thing, a pastor will now a secret court. So what you have with you, it matters a lot in life. Most of us, do you know why I've studied extra? That whatever place I go today, una no more must answer you. I don't always do my video in one comfort zone whereby I'll no. I do it from anywhere. If God they drop message and I don't drop one, I don't know the verse of the Bible where that thing coincides with. That was why when you are sleeping, I'm out there. How I can be able to get you a conviction from the inside that this thing I'm telling you is true. Come and tell me from the Bible, cannot bomb me, will bomb me. Come and tell me. Then that make you a moron. That make you an Ozum moron. Now don't go make God punish you there. Because you guys, you are a bunch of animals. Who's a suffocator working? Akwobisi. Now na be. No togbe na no diake. Akwobisi. Egbone ne niji. Ana be miofen. Ana mionyege. A forest where there's elephant. Rats also spend decades of years there. Of a bear. Even a forest where there are tigers. There are still some rats there. God will just create time. He get where they were carried. Or what like that was why Poko Waro. Or what fan Poko win you do. Because Poko where bamboo stick day. Any animal cannot enter apart from all those small animals. And tell if you know if you enter some. But offend whatever. You know to the waka of a lad, not a new lad. Oh, we have a double soon. God will definitely create an avenue for you to live in a certain society. But why is our own? Poor man cannot sustain it. Up till now in Nigeria, it is who you know, not what you know. There are people who were supposed to be working in the bank, they are driving back. While there are people who were supposed to be working, driving back, they are working in the bank. Even there are some bankers today, manager. You see, have secretary that do some certain work for him. Our more you are compensated, but someone else is doing his job. So our disobedience to nature is the major problem we are facing. Until we get it right. Oh, but they are not disobedient to nature now. That's why if you look at the environment, and they burn you, you come meet good environment. They don't protest for anything. They tie road, John Road. If I'm going to Valencia from here now, almost about 4 places. Four angles you can go through. If you don't want power, they pay money. Other express day, but our own now one way to Lagos. We are not creating another thing. Since Obafemi and Wolo Water Benin Lagos Road now, so it's there now. The major road that the British colony help us do now we day now. Not be Obafemi now come revive Benin Technical School. Not be this missionary, not be built down. Egosa Grammar School, not be missionary built down. What school have we been able to build today? Even we don't have maintenance culture. Now we they do anyhow pass. Nobody want to help the government to make sure it's work. And right now you are in media to even say the truth. You are afraid. Protect it. Protect whatever you can protect. I pray that all of you are keeping records of what these people are doing. You know what? We push the government to make sure it's doing the right thing. I don't have personal deal with the governor. What I can pay for you for. If for a dose to be good, you can't campaign on why I say now I kill you the time. We are going to read the lamentation. I pray right now they should corrupt the commissioner and police. At least this land grabbing, or why we are 18 of the past. It should become 18 of the past. Even na a idiot. Idiot, you know, my idiot. Any of them, lock them up. There should be law and order. Yes, social example that will make Edo people to praise you. Obaseki Gugwana. I don't need any of your friend play because tomorrow no ban always one cat. Always one so far the people is okay. If I'm an enemy to the governor, he made the state to be okay. Is it not better than I'm a friend to the governor? The people are suffering. Now I have security. Let my people also have it at home. That is my wish. That's why I'm in media. I'm not in media to start creating problem. Because I'm in media right now, my father will be arrested. I'd rather body around all the time. Nobody can, with his right senses, can come and counter me or insult me here. Because everything I'm telling you is true. Where the time the Bible cannot bomb me, will bomb me, or where it is in your tradition. Even the tradition was not even interpreted to us. There is no tradition that will permit such a thing under this earth. That was during slavery, and even when they give you famine, you cannot taste any food. Not now. There's freedom everywhere now. There's freedom to life. It may not be as shown as any other thing, but there are a lot of things that are not supposed to be in our system. But let nobody force you, and you must begin to abide to the will. It's not possible. If it happens to you, you are a moron. That's why people will always say, for my city, now, my dear, you want to enter train now? Are you working? Okona Igele, for example, won't you move with your leg? You can move with your leg. If you check the fetish excuses on how people committed themselves, the excuse does not even reach anything. The excuse doesn't even read anything. Maybe mediawe bo Sahara Desert, you blanket take cover. A GP banaria. A decade wagbe can go when we had when a video shown one time at that video be. Whether they cast news automatically breeze that thing come out. The Anna do me immediate go. Now so you can't resurrect again. Carry the thing now. Remove them for your body. You know. So we have to be very, very careful. Let us only learn to pass through process of time. Joseph became a prime minister in Egypt. Do you know what he go through? There is wilderness of life. So that wilderness of life, it is destined to be in anybody's life. Your wilderness of life right now may be the process of time you are going through. 20 years abroad, you got no document. Maybe a lot while we do they will still give you passport and pay you the whole year you have wasted. When we came in 2003. Me and my friend who always discuss with these people. Some person my way do when I maybe papa now with my brother I go pa my maybe. Because of me, God just brought in Sabatero. And thank God I did an paramento with I not get as where they stay with paramento. It wasn't a house a paramento. I went to a place, it was a guy that described that place for me. Say, you to see what you go do. I go there now, go speak and I know and say I not get where they stay. Perhaps I have where I'm staying, nobody ready to write it for you, paramento. What they call house contract. I say they stay here, they sleep street. Now that one make me get paper. That Sabatero now has 2005, 6 months where you don't stay me. That parameter were there. Then the one where they take out me for illegal entry. They also say my article. They can me they charge me for illegal entry. I was locked up for 24 hours. I was locked up. Because I didn't commit any crime. My passport automatically was seized from me. They told me just a means of identification. And I never tendered that passport one day. I gave them the La Casa I was using them, which I also opened in Barcelona with my passport. They didn't accept it. They said they just want to know my real name with my passport. To nombre in passport. As I just bring where I was locked up for near Lakore. Then I should wait. The same thing will be happening to people. I must do something about it, which we have been doing. We have been doing it and we'll keep on doing it. If I have an opportunity, I'll do it for you free. Without you even paying it down. So far you can pay the tax. Because I know what it takes. But because we are saved to save others. We can't have any case if you have a spend anything, we must find a way to solve it. I've been there, I know what it takes. So what am I trying to buttress here is this. Every one of us have a little beginning. But today, document is no longer a problem. What freaks people about document does not freak me. What freaks me is that everybody's life is okay. I'm not self-centered. If I have, I want you to have. I always say it here. I want my friend to be having better car more than my own. So that when I make an angle of him, I always attract jealousy. I don't like it. Be driving Ferrari, let me be driving my normal push and start. If you are to spend €1 in mechanic, you have to spend €1,000 at a blow. Then who lose then? So let's always learn to cut our coat according to our cloth. So let me show you this very thing of Obaseki. Then we'll begin to draw up the curtain. I promised to play this very video to us. I promised to play it, so I'm going to play right now of what the state governor said about specifically land grabbing.
Executive Governor of Edo State, it is my pleasure to be in Government House today in fulfillment of my courtesy call on His Excellency, the Governor of the State. The essence of my presence here this morning is to formally introduce myself to His Excellency, the Governor, and members of his cabinet, to personally thank the Governor for creating a enabling environment for the security forces and for his outstanding contribution to elevating police performance in Edo State. The Commissioner of Police, CP, and capital has come to continue from where the last CPD stopped. There have been a few security challenges in the last couple of weeks before your posting. Fortunately, we have enough intelligence on what is going on, and I'm sure that with the kind of capacity we have, in a few days' time, we will comb those bushes and flush out land and land grabbing is something we as a government is doing very, very squarely. Any community where we find people, whether they call themselves Okairos or CBOs, the next couple of months we want them to be peaceful because they are impeding development in this state. As we prepare, as we're heading out for another set of elections, we want to work with the designing system that we will not accept electoral violence in this state. Elections are not wars, so we don't see the reason why they will take up arms and begin to fight each other. We should use the opportunity of you being here to decorate some of the men who have just been promoted by the service.
So you can see that he specified Okagile and Ohen. When the Federal Force came out seeking the opinion of the people, a lot of elements of destructions, apostle of destructions, apostle of bad governance, apostle of, egoism. They came out and unleashed on him. I was only the supporter who came out and speak against that heinous these people said. But the problem we have here is that Obaseki supporters, most of them, they are weaker than Dodo. They always want to pick up when something is happening. They always want to bend the governor out of his own will. They want to make the governor begin to feel as if he's number 2 citizen of the state. By constitution, he's number 1 citizen of the state, irrespective. So whatever donations of the mind that you have, keep it to yourself. By law, constitutionally, he's number 1 citizen of the state. You know where you place the rest people. So that's why we do talk to him. If there's insecurity right now, we'll not come and start talking about you. I talk to the state governor because I know is his position, what he's supposed to do, and what his capability was. If you know what, the reason why just now, I really talked about our people that do sang after pray for them and all of that God gave this strength to succeed whatever they do in their life endeavor. Because to what we claim we have moral values. We claim we have respect for our families. But why is this thing happening today? If it is something I felt that they should be doing with utmost joy, I will not talk about it. You will not say you are responsible, but look at what you are doing. That's it. It is easier said than done. Let's channel up our energy of building a better state and a better society, a better Africa, a better country for ourselves. If we love our children, we should build up enabling environment for them. I get the biggest legacy any person can give to his children is education. Not only going to school. Educate them about the prerequisite. About a lot of things they should do and they should not do. That's why the book of Hebrews 12 verse 11, he said, no discipline seems to be pleasant at the times. But it is painful. No discipline in this world that is pleasant. It is very, very painful. But at the end result, it will yield an harvest of righteousness to them who walk by it. So the same way we have to talk to our children, the same method we are supposed to do to apply in our society. The energy we put in social media. If God wants to bless you, forget about monetization. I don't know what, and I'm not interested. Facebook, why man? But what's a page in here? Will money be, how much will they pay to me? And allow my people to be perished? I will not do that. We were told that one white man, Jesus Christ, came to come and die for our sins. I should be able to also do something in replication of what the sacrifice Jesus Christ made. I told you how so many people were guarding their page. Even when they have the damaging information, they would have passed it. Up to now, they don't do it. They are protecting their page. But leaving our lives to be in danger. but tomorrow criticize the government. Let even assume social media was a state or was a country. Put it there if it were ruled well. It's very woefully. Let's assume social media was a country. Have you not seen embezzlement? The embezzlement here is that people protecting their pay to get money. Is that not embezzlement? Tribalism means that I will never give any information that will help anybody. He anticipate anybody. Are you not seeing nepotism? Are you not seeing egoism? Are you not seeing that people are putting their mate in a state of Adaguduism by not telling them the real information that will cause to transformations? Then who are failed here? Buhari is still better than you people. Also, Buhari because you are worse than Buhari. Let's assume, call social media a country. How was it ruled? Most of you are surprised. I made this topic, I think that was last 2 years. If social media was a country, how was it ruled? Nigeria is even better. Look at everywhere today. What have you learned from social media? But most of you today right now, with what you have learned, you no longer put value on your children. You the same person tomorrow, you are not causing problem, putting your children forward, now roll with you where tomorrow you say you are a responsible mother. Voluntarily giving out your children to be insulted, and you are not seeing anything wrong with it. You work then or more working. Or more, that is or more working. Then you are really a person with your right senses. A wise man fights on certain fire. How did he fight? He protects his people. Donald Trump yesterday, he repeated this thing again. And I've learned something from it. If people they do anyhow, fed up frustrates them. What he said he called the commander of Taliban. So for 1 year, 8 months, Americans did not lose any soldier. I've shared it with you before, but let me share it again from another dimension, another perspective, before we round up this very glorious broadcast. Then he said he called Abdul. If you do it, he sent the picture of his house. He said, I'll go give her. Hey, we do that, Trump. Oh, talk me. He sent the picture of the commander of Taliban. He sent the picture of his house, go give him. They stress this ahead. When I land grabana waye, Obaseki suppose don't go investigate them. Don't wa Vienian or Balegbe. Why they be Rian or Wawe? From there they go enter their body, they monitor them. They get them. All their boys will be ready. Don't let allow them. You are waiting for them for you to come and catch them in the act. You can never catch them in the act. How did Donald Trump did that? It may take him 1 year and 6 months to do that investigation. Now, person will already send you address of your house, picture of your house, give you, what are you going to do? If you do, he go blast you for his house. Or they'll come pick you. America, Hana. Forget what the Joe Biden did do. The most powerful nation in the world is not powerful because some of our idiots are there. I mean, some of our idiots. He's powerful because of their democratic value. He send the picture, go give him. If I tell you, say they put your name down now, I put your name down based on what you support. What do you mean? You think we are just here wasting our times? We are not here wasting our time. Tampoko, we are not going to come and shoot you. He sent a picture. The mark, bro. Americans so they are my Bokan. But African leader, also Fulani and Wagba before. Let's begin to spend money for CIDs, criminal investigations. People they never expected, pay them, let them be give you information. Okay, so and so person look at his picture again. Lele, that's how to fight criminals. If I'm a government today, the first thing we have to do, every guns will be collected from Edo State. Every guns. We will investigate them. Auto, 1990 something. All of them will be straight out behind here. That they even know the reason why we are not interested, but the time we come, we'll make ourselves available if we must have a better society. There are ways you do things. Not about no, I let you or about they get and go, they will lay you. That's why if you are living home right now, you know they come in talk man. Now radio the your radio. Esa Salendo La Casa. I entrao a Trenta. Autovia a Trenta. Valencia Alicante. Si. Creo que va por Valencia. Creo que va por Valencia. Then the next city, a sister. But how many people reason about it? But our useless representatives, they are there to represent themselves. You are clapping. Go vote. Yeah, vote. We are waiting for presidency. If anyone here can change it. I did not say you shouldn't feast up your locality. But all the promises they are giving, you are still sponsoring people who is still going to put us in a chaotic and aquatic state. Let them put themselves there. Hey, not they use your hand to kill yourself. There are people you support, you are using your own hand to kill yourself. Okay, English anyway. Now, so they are women. So stop using your hand to kill yourself. There are things you reject, not everything you accept. There are things you need to reject, it's not everything you accept. That's why there are a lot of administration, traditionally, politically, I don't accept it. And it's not a part of me. That's why today, our fight is sacrosanct. And they are also going to come and start begging tomorrow. Met in the camp. The world, if you cannot beat them, join them. It's not made for me. It's made for them. If they cannot beat me, they will come and join me. And all of them, they are going to the camp. They are going to regret every bit of things they've done against anybody. They are going to regret because it is not scriptural. It is not even traditional. That was how they sold us into slavery. So again, it happened in the BC. We are in the 21st century where your right is protected. You have to protect your right to woman stand to do the needful for yourself. People use it when here. So let's be very, very careful over the way we lost it. Why I got lost emotions? If we keep on, we are overlosing emotions in our society. That's why things are like this. That's why so far, if you do anything, if you connect your brother Agwanyo, or how we were born it now, Obigbo Nyameri. But Obigbo Nyameri not be there, they sell land. I have not seen any Obigbo that is Ohen. I have not seen it. The same if you don't know. How will I call somebody my own? Where me motor? How? What difference between you and Fulani? What the difference between Fulani and Ohen and Okanviekwe, Okanwokamian, Okandeke that's collected our lands? If you collected somebody's land in Dublin, who were me out of America because the same man do I have, but maybe this person they collected the land in Dublin right now, he's not even helping any person before now. That's why anything, a freedom for one is a freedom for all. If they are doing something inhuman against anybody or any work in you cannot take it. Learn a way to speak about it or support the struggle. That's the problem that we have. Learn it. It will be very good we do it like that. After all, when killing were going on in the East last year, they will come out and start. I say some of my people celebrated the Kanu's arrest as if they were doing it good. They celebrated it. But go and look at their life. Most of them, I guess by now, they have spike protein in their system. They have venom in their system. They have graphene in their system. They have all manner of in their system. Maybe if you have support, there is a way God would have given you conviction. You don't know. Let always mind what we sell. Let always mind who we sell. It's not every. Don't do anything with hatred. I don't hate anybody. Today, I'm not praising Obaseki today. But yesterday, but it does not make me to say it's going to Guantanamo. Because that is sacrosanct. But it cannot you see Yevita. That's why even here abroad, no matter the crime you commit, you still have right. Your face will not be exposed. You can still sue the government for exposing your face to the public. What about when you now finish serving the jail? Your lawyer will still file petition about it. You will still win the government. They will pay you some more. That's why you see some criminals in your countries here, bro. They go blunt their face. Because right, even at his death, he still have right. Person where he commit genocide, kill everybody, there is still have right he has. He still have right to speak. You cannot tie his mouth. He still have right to breathe. But even when you are breathing, you don't. If you breathe too much, our breathing can also give us problem in it. Because if you are there, you have to stand still. That was why when a wicked cross his leg, some idiot, they started also drawing it out in the media. Crossing of Lego, that is how far we are. But to you, does not mean anything. But to you, man now, a state governor, he crossed his leg, it was a crime. Okay, what about me? I want breathe you. You might be arrested. People don't know the meaning of oppression. Go and check out the meaning of oppression. And go and check out the meaning of freedom. You ain't get freedom, your man's war. At least. This is a garden right now. I have the right to walk anywhere. I'm not being tied to some specific locations. That's freedom. If I go to Moncloa in Madrid today, except it's okay, they barricade the front. It's okay, I may nobody stay there. If now where public they enter, I must be able to enter there. It's a very free place. If I want to go to Moncloa right now, I wrote a letter. I want to see Pedro Sanchez of Spain. They will give me time to see him. They will give me time to see him. But our own, you can't. So whatever we have learned from our brother, also take it home. That's what makes you to be traveling is a part of education. What you have learned here, you are also teaching your people at home. I have learned on how to coexist with people. I have learned to accommodate strangers. That's why today, Edo says a loving people. We accommodated the Fulanis. We accommodated the. There was a time these people that we were always using for job them in Edo State, Calabar people, you know. We always accommodate. The accommodation we are giving right now, right down that they are turned to terrorists. We should unanimously also join hands together. We don't need it like this. But some of us will go and collect money at the end of the day. We feel it does not concern us. What does not concern you today may be that it's going to affect your children tomorrow. That's why I mean this very struggle, a quest for hygiene and society. There must be hygiene everywhere. I will not wait for you to collect my own friend's land before I talk about land grabbing. Because it's a thing that I've dealt with most of us. People have bought land several times. I just pray the governor is able to do this thing to a standstill. Both the one they have done before, they should be restored. Every land they've collected, Obaseki, make sure they are being restored. I want your party to do your administration. See the way we don't will praise you. What they lost, what they were lost, they might hate to win, Obaseki. I don't lie you. They might not pray no your life. I want your party where you are team. Of when my you will but no tell you. At least all those who let them go and walk. When you look at their way, they get gun, make them carry gun past Libya, make them come down, make them come also. Because you sell land for person 15 years ago, right now the land fair worth 1 million. Right now it's now 30 million. You still go and sell them again. If it be there, all those useless land grabbers. They have people here abroad now. I saw one post. One guy we were talking about a Bamamba. And another person we are accusing him of work on Redo. Okpon on Redo guy land grabber. When we are getting Okpon on Redo guy killer. Anytime they talk to the atrocity they might commit, why what we man no use go and do? They man no idiot. I don't know why people traveled. They are still senseless. How will you allow criminal to be your society? Nobody in this town right now, the hospital say that they fear individually. You know they. How you would fear anybody? Only what you see the other person have dropped or remain in ego. You don't need to be afraid of anybody. Afraid of people for what? We look bony. Now those days when some people knew in that jam, they aren't senseless. And I cook bomber. They'll go get a big person. But right now, all of them, most of them today, they are in jail because of two fighting. Fighting to protect a confraternity. And that's a confraternity today now is not protecting them. Then who is deceiving who? They create fears everywhere. Some people they'll go house. A society now, do we even need a big do we even need killer in a society? Society is good. People always call me if they have problem in Spain. Why? Because they know say waiting me carry no office we are not enter. Not be said to go fight. Are they break protocols? Are they break protocol before you don't know I must are you your talk balowe? You may certificate law, but I know all their law here. That's why they call me. They are not calling me say oh, go fight. We are not going there with ammunition. We go there with our suitcase. Let's go. On our way home, boy. I'm waiting for you police and we are going to dread responsible. Let's go there and ask what's happening. A friend was arrested. I went there. The way I take dread, now one of the police come the other and say, "Now a lawyer." They now say, "But I've been a lawyer. I not get certificate." Come the last. Now say I escort and come. That was how they went inside. The guy, the police, we come open the security door. He asked me say whether to abogado. Now so he asked my friend. He can't say no. Now I say, I be abogado, we not get certificate. But if he come inside, I can't say no. Say, now let one go enter. Me, I know what to say. He will soon come out now. That was how they judged the case. He was discharged and acquitted. That's it. Somebody who can stand, who not the fear. If you the fear and carry the person follow, but at least he go give you morale. That's why we need each other abroad. Any person now you want to go join court because you want to go to beat person. Ya moe, your weapon. Ya moe. Only me one can scatter full nest here abroad. I know what now you do you. Who waya wa vekin. Was a leg birawa. Do what you know down here. I know you can never come near me. You know that very well. Where down in unless you're with banana or no passport with 20, you are gone. You are wealthful. Even it will even affect your children. So we don't take that. Everybody should live freely. We don't instigate violence. What we do that freedom we're the end of it. Let's stop praising evils in our society. We should stop it. So do have a nice day, everyone. Today's date is 24th of April, Sunday 2022. Today's date 24th of April 2022 on Sunday. And for those of us that want to reach us at times, our phone number is +34 631 056 284 +34 631 056 284. Do you know why this place they live on like this? They can also build something here tomorrow. You see Oibo? They can also build something here tomorrow. See the door where they pass enter now. So they can just come tomorrow and destroy it. Put in another thing here. You'll see this place now, they plaster on. Now person get here now. You can come here tomorrow, you want to put office here. Even up to that side, now house is not there. Nobody, they stay those areas. You know. So, Oibo, they to do their thing. Not a create problem for ourselves. So we are still going to be doing more topics on this very particular topic. We are going to be doing reflection. That's how what we know how to do best. So share this video among your friends. And for those of you that be counting my word with water, be very, very careful. Anything you hear here, always extend it to your loved ones, so that there will not be more casualties. The one we've gotten already is okay. We don't want to get another casualty journal. So do have a nice day, everyone, and God bless you all. Happy Sunday. Ciao.